Uponor Quik Trak is your go-to over-the-subfloor radiant solution. Easy to install, low profile, and made for remodels. Quik Trak is a 1/2-inch thick plywood panel with a pre-cut groove and a heat-spreading aluminum sheet. It's designed for 5/16 Uponor PEX tubing and installs directly over plywood, OSB, or concrete subfloors. Perfect for retrofits, remodels, and upper floors where slab-on-grade systems aren't possible. Quik Trak brings radiant comfort to bathrooms, kitchens, bedrooms, anywhere you want warm floors. Avoid Quik Trak in wet environments or direct contact with any slab. It's best suited for indoor, dry space installations. Layout is key. Use Quik Trak panels and return panels to build your loop. Next, use a thin bead of silicone caulk and press the 5/16 PEX tubing into the groove, locking it in place with a mallet. No special tools are needed. Then install your finished floor directly over it, including hardwood, laminate, or tile. Quik Trak can also be used for creative applications like defogging a mirror or creating a warm shower wall experience. With Quik Trak, you get radiant comfort without raising floor height, a quick, clean installation, and efficient heat transfer thanks to the aluminum backing. Uponor Quik Trak, radiant heat made simple.